Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a minute, but yeah, we kind of had to take a long time off of like doing our regular stuff, like traveling and stuff, because we have been putting all of our energy into building a house and getting it ready to move in, and
still not done yet.
It's still not done yet, but I am happy to finally say that we did move in
about 2 months ago.
About 2 months ago. So I'm a little behind on an update, but we did finally move into a new house, and after 4 years, it took a really long time because it wasn't like a constant thing where we could work on it every single day, because it's a little piece away from where we were living, so it wasn't an everyday thing. So now we are finally in, and it's not completed. Like,
no lights
we still, if you see right there, you can kind of see that it's definitely not finished, and we got the living room lights over here that are still not working, so if the video is a little dark, just kind of ignore that. We're kind of doing the best we can with lighting and stuff right now. But yeah, the purpose of this video is to kind of do a unboxing with a new couch that we finally found. We were going for a cloud couch, and they're like, if you know anything about those, they're like a really popular thing, and they're like $10,000. Yeah,
most of them are way too expensive.
Yeah, they're like $10,000. So we were looking for the perfect dupe, and even then, a lot of the dupes were like $5,000. You know, like maybe a little bit less, but anyways, we searched for a lot of months. We still don't have like the furniture that we need, like a dresser and stuff like that. So we just kind of been living, but we
found one at Haute, Haute.
Yeah, it took a long time to find, but I'm glad that I stuck it out and found it. Okay, okay, I'll take it off in a minute. You say hi. Say hi. But okay. Okay. Yeah, we searched for a lot of months, and we finally found a couch, and so yeah, we are going to, we actually forgot to measure before we ordered.
And now it's too big.
And then we measured after the fact, which a lot of people told us to definitely measure. The pictures will fool you.
And now it's too big.
We were fooled because the pictures looked a lot smaller, and we ended up measuring after the fact of ordering it. And how much over was it? It was like...
It's 120 inches long, which will cover half our bedroom door.
Well, not half the bedroom door, but like...
Almost.
Yeah, enough to be too big. But anyways, yeah, we are... The purpose of this is to kind of like do an unboxing thing and kind of rate the couch on what we think and how we like it and see how it fits, which I'm a little nervous about. But it is modular, which means we can take things out, like pieces out,
yeah.
Or like add pieces if we need to.
It was easier just to figure something out than to send it back.
Yeah. So I guess what we're gonna do now is go bring in the couch. So. Did you take off your shirt?
What?
Put on your shirt.
What?
Put on your shirt.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Put on your shirt. So, what do you think?
It's a big couch,
Yeah.
but it is pretty comfy.
I do like it.
It is comfy.
It looks a little different, like in person than it does online, but that's kind of with anything. It's I don't know. We wanted like a cozy couch. At first, I was more like
afraid of the back. being too short, but with the pillows.
Yeah, no, I'm actually shocked.
With the pillows, it helps.
Yeah. See, it's nice. We wanted a cozy couch. Ah. It is pretty big. We got like a pretty small space, so yeah, we were really concerned how it was gonna fit, but we knew we'd figure it out.
Oh, man.
But I really like it. Do you?
I think I'm sleeping tonight.
I know. It's like, I don't know. It's like a bed.
I think it's feathers. I think that's what's in here.
Everything in our house we wanted to be cozy. Austin converted me because at first I wanted more like, I wanted things to look good. I didn't matter if like we had a firm couch as long as it looked good. But then I was like, the more I think about it, we're going to be in here a lot, so comfort mattered. So anyways, everything we've shifted to comfort. Like our bed, actually, we didn't have that much wall space, and we were going to do a queen size bed, and then a queen size bed, and then have bigger nightstands. But Austin really wanted a king size bed. But if we had a king size bed, we could only put a nightstands that either one nightstand, which I thought would look really weird, and then, or we could do like really small nightstands with a king size bed. And
the small ones work.
When I say small, I mean like 14 inches. So it's like this. They barely even make small nightstands. I've searched high and low and finally found some on Amazon, and they actually work. And I'm thoroughly happy that we went with a king size bed. And yeah, so comfort all the way.
This is nice.
It is nice. What do you rate it? Scale of 1 to 10.
I give it an 8.
An 8?
It's going to take time to get to a 10.
Oh man.
I need some sitting time.
You're a hard man to please.
Yeah. I need some sitting time on this bad boy.
He doesn't give those 10s easy. Yeah. But I think that in the long run we will really appreciate it. Yeah, because it is really comfortable.
It is, yeah.
Softness is like probably,
and you can take the covers off.
Yeah, which with a baby we felt like was probably the smart way to go. And we were looking at, from one company, we were looking at a couch that was really nice. It had like a wooden bottom and everything, and you could take like the whole like slip cover off. And we was wanting to do that one, but it was a little out of our price range. So yeah, I'm glad we finally found this one. If not, we'd probably still be searching. I guess I was a little picky when it came to that, but so far I don't regret it. It is big, and it covers a little bit of our...
It's not as bad as I thought.
I know, it
It's
actually
nice.
isn't as bad. But I think we might be able to like tilt the couch just a little bit enough to like, maybe, to get it out of that door frame.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think I'm going to find some pillows that are like, probably this color right here a little bit. And yeah, not completely done. We're going to get a light wood coffee table to put right in front of it, but I have not found that yet either. So we're still searching for a lot of our furniture. But we will do probably a house tour when we get everything a little situated, get the lights all fully on, and get our furniture. And we're kind of still living out of tote. So, do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah? Do you like it? Whoa! Okay. Do you like it? Yes! Okay. Well, I guess that concludes this.
The couch part.
Yeah. So, I guess we'll catch you in the next vlog.